You're going to want to hear about some very interesting news I have about the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's get started with some early looks at the front and rear of the next model, which is shaping up to be a significant divergence from the S24 Ultra. First and foremost, one of the most significant changes is that Samsung has chosen to part ways with those sharp corners. In addition to ditching the bulky middle frame that was around the bezel on the S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra is adopting a smoother, more rounded shaping, which definitely gives it a fresher, more modern vibe. This means we're getting a much sleeker appearance with significantly slimmer bezels all around. There's been some buzz recently regarding new phone covers to go along with the upcoming introduction of the Galaxy S25 in January. A neat-looking case that may encircle the Ultra model was just leaked by the well-known tipster Ice Universe. This is exactly in line with what we've been hearing from earlier leaks that reveal the device's rounded edges and corners, which make it look even more attractive. The rear camera layout is similar to what we've seen on the S24 Ultra, which is cool, but don't let that fool you. Just because the layout looks familiar doesn't mean the cameras aren't getting some serious upgrades. If you're curious about where everything is on the phone, this case leak reveals that all the buttons and ports are exactly where you'd expect them to be. Therefore, even though the S25 Ultra and S24 Ultra won't look drastically different, the rounded corners and the new symmetrical frame will make the device feel much better in your hands. Even though the camera may look slightly smaller in some photos, it is anticipated to maintain a similar design to the S24 Ultra, but with exciting improvements that should blow us away. You'll notice that the corners are less rounded and the bezels on the S25 Ultra are much smaller. It's amazing how just a few tweaks can make such a big difference. The Samsung phone truly pops with its slimmer bezels when stacked next to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's important about that initial impression, and that sleek design only serves to make the S25 Ultra look more refined and contemporary. Regarding the back design, this is another instance of evolution. Early rumors suggested a design like the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but the most recent pictures reveal a more distinctive style for the camera lenses. These lenses seem bigger than the S24 Ultra, and the layout has been changed to have smaller gaps between them. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.